Hi guys, so we're here at my usual stomping grounds at Ciudad del Rey. We are in the studio right now and this is going to be for a special cosplay shoot. So it's going to be a group cosplay shoot with a bunch of friends natin. They're going to be cosplaying from K-pop Demon Hunters, both the Huntrix and Saja Boys. Ang interesting take natin dito is that it's very K-pop inspired, so we're going to be taking a lot from the pop culture of K-pop and applying it into a cosplay shoot such as this. So for today, we're gonna go through a basic rundown of the lights that I'll be using. So of course, we're powered by Godox, the 80 series. So I'll be working with various lights such as the 8600, 300, and 200 for this shoot. One, two, three. Ganda! We're here in the middle of the cyclorama. And for my main lighting setup, I have two 8600 Pros. One is the original version and the other one's the Pro 2 version. Tilted down almost 45 degrees. Both are attached with umbrella mounts for that smooth and soft spread lighting feel. And then of course, I have two standing reflectors over here which are styrofoam boards just to smoothen the bounce around the place. Even though puti na yan lahat, I wanted to create more bounce and make the light softer than usual. For my highlights, I'll be working with AD300s naman. Two attached on strip lights over here. Maybe a third extra one depending how big the groups are. I might work with a third one, especially when the Saja Boys cosplay group is already here. Moving back one more step for my background lights, I'll be working with three AD200s and they'll be providing me with color gels for blue and pink depending on sa timpla na yan, on how big the groups are and ano yung feel namin for the day, which will be more predominant, either the pink or the blue. For this other layout ng K-pop Demon Hunter shoot natin, did a Huntrix layout and I wanted to change it up a little bit. So instead of using your usual classic K-pop look, I went for a stage lighting setup where as if they were on stage and performing. So as you can see, there are lots of rim lighting and selected spotlights, just certain parts of their body.